Have you ever witnessed the remarkable wind energy technology that empowers the generation of wind in various environments? With these augmented reality glasses, you'll be able to effortlessly browse through real estate properties available for both rent and purchase. Are you aware that Jeff Bezos is currently working on designing a space station? So without further ado, let's move to these cool gadgets collection. Sony is forging a path through history, captivating us with their creation of numerous intriguing projects. In collaboration with science fiction writers, the company's designers have skillfully crafted concepts that vividly portray their vision of Tokyo in 2050. A significant notion features an AI therapist named Ophelia, and the subject being presented on displays is well-being. Ophelia possesses the remarkable ability to assess emotions and stress levels, and when needed, it employs distinctive methods to aid individuals in discovering a sense of calmness. This means that Ophelia can metamorphose into the person who causes the most stress for the user, enabling them to interact in a secure environment and develop resilience through the process. While evoking memories of the video game Detroit Becoming Human, the general concept is unquestionably intriguing. The upcoming project unveils an innovative electric vehicle designed to comfortably accommodate 5 passengers and boasting an impressive range of 300 kilometers. While the project remains in its conceptual stage, the creators eagerly welcome discussions with potential investors. As part of their outreach, they have also shared a captivating video at the Shenzhen International UAV Expo, which happens to be China's largest drone exhibition. At present, these wind turbines have advanced to the prototype stage, and their creators are actively seeking investors in the process. The striking figures are listed below. 1 kilometer of these kinds of generators can power 760 households yearly or recharge practically 80,000 Tesla vehicles. The absence of spinning parts gives the generators their main advantage, which makes them easily scalable. These turbines operate efficiently even in low wind conditions, boast simple manufacturing processes, and are versatile enough to be installed in various locations. The cost per kilowatt hour is approximately 11 cents, and the inventors have already sought international patents to secure a unique market positioning without any competition. Let's look at how a Canadian company sees the future of real estate. The following augmented reality glasses reveal a completely new world. Glance at properties and rapidly obtain information about flats that are offered for purchase or rental. Engage in on-site visits to observe construction sites, gaining insights into ongoing projects and their respective timelines. Embark on an apartment tour where you'll be introduced to a virtual realtor presenting all the apartment details right before your eyes. Evaluate the accommodation of furniture, appliances, and other items within the rooms. Enhancing the experience further, these glasses provide music, video calls, and email capabilities. They also offer navigation guidance and track multiple sclerosis activity, including walking and driving. Do you think realtors need to be concerned about anything? According to expert forecasts, the revenue generated by air cabs is expected to reach approximately $31 billion by 2030. Consequently, a multitude of projects are surfacing, providing opportunities to soar above the frustrations of traffic congestion. The interesting project is shown here. The designers of the following project modestly assert that they have crafted the utmost flawless personal flying vehicle with the ability to reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, providing a generous 2 hours of flight time on a single refueling. With the added capability of accommodating a payload of 120 kilograms, their concept unquestionably holds a fascinating allure. The prototype made its debut at the Viva Technology show in Paris last June. The International Space Station is anticipated to be decommissioned between 2030 and 2031, according to the head of NASA. Nevertheless, NASA is presently funding a program aimed at commercial orbit development, effectively embracing the participation of the private sector. This venture has already been started by Executive Chairman of Amazon, known as Jeff Bezos, and his business Blue Origin, who are working with partners on a design for a space station known as Orbital Reef. The following station will have rooms for experimentation, scientific research, and perhaps space tourism, and it can house up to 10 people. The objective of this project is to make the station fully operational by 2027, aiming for an estimated construction cost of approximately $10 billion. Natilus, the company, responds with a confirmation that there is indeed a size limit for drones, but they assert that their drones can be quite large. A concept for an enormous drone with a remarkable maximum payload capacity of 130 tons has been revealed. This development sets the stage for intercontinental unmanned cargo transportation. These drones will possess the capability to cover impressive distances, reaching up to 9,500 kilometers. For instance, they could fly from Washington to Paris, exemplifying their long-range potential. In 2024, a more conservative model, specifically designed for transporting 4 tons, will take to the skies. The Natilus aircraft, as per the team's findings, can accommodate 60% more cargo volume than traditional airplanes, all while achieving a remarkable 50% reduction in carbon dioxide emissions. Airbus presents a glimpse of the future through this innovative cabin, showcasing how it is shaping the field of passenger transportation. The foremost emphasis lies in adopting environmentally friendly practices and minimizing the impact on our planet. Concerted efforts can be undertaken to reduce the waste generated during the production of cabin components. Even the smallest elements, such as the design of food and snack carts, can benefit from the application of advanced design principles. Ensuring production is organized in a manner that minimizes emissions is of paramount importance. The outcomes are impressive. The C-Suite business class seats alone offer an additional 10% of space while being 30% lighter than their traditional counterparts. Nevertheless, the implementation of these innovations remains uncertain, as the Airbus presentation does not provide a definitive answer. We're going smoothly to conclude our video, maintaining the momentum. In the near future, there is a high possibility that cars will take on an appearance like this. Nonetheless, there are interesting solutions that are worth noting even now. One such example is the Winter Adventure accessory package that Lamborghini, an Italian carmaker, provides to European customers. This set has revised side steps. For traversing winter roads, a vehicle should have a retractable trunk section, a set of chains, Origa winter tires mounted on unique rims, floor mats, and other items. This vehicle provides dynamic torque distribution, all-wheel drive, an astonishing 650 horsepower beneath the hood, and a suspension technology that raises ground clearance to 25 centimeters. The Urus delivers all the essential elements to ensure a delightful winter driving experience.